Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a grilled salmon recipe with a lemon garlic glaze. Now guys, as you see my list of ingredients here, and I'll be putting it in the description box below. Now guys, I'm using thyme, but you can use other things like maybe parsley or basil, and spice it up a bit. Here's my garlic. I'm using 4 cloves, my lemon juice, my salt, and my butter, and last but not least, my salmon. Let's get this show on the road. Okay guys, so let's start the process. Here's my pot on a medium heat. I'm going to add my lemon juice, my butter. Guys, the butter is supposed to be in the pot before the lemon juice. I was kind of rushing, so I actually put the lemon juice before the butter. But nevertheless, it's still melted. Okay guys, sorry for the camera jerking. So let's get this on. I'll just clear the area so I can get to crush the garlic, guys. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crush the 4 cloves of garlic to add to the lemon and thyme and the butter in the pot. Yes, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna add the garlic and we're gonna stir that and let the garlic flavor infuse into the lemon and the butter, and then the thyme, the smell of the thyme. So guys, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna turn off the stove and now we're gonna glaze the salmon before we put it on the grill. Now guys, you should smell that aroma from the garlic, the thyme, the butter and the lemon. It just gives you that nice smell. Now guys, after coating, you just want to make sure that you coat it properly, all the creases. Okay, so now we're gonna add it to the grill, 350 degrees. Guys, if you don't want your food to stick, what you can do is just get a tablecloth or a napkin, dip it in some oil and rub it along the grill. Now this will prevent your meat from sticking on the grill. Or sometimes you can oil your meat. After seasoning, you oil it so it won't stick, because you won't want your meat to keep on sticking and you have to be forcing it to come off the grill. So here we go guys, gonna add the salmon. Now you wanna add it, put it on the grill, skin down. There you go. You wanna give it about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you want it to cook. And then you check back. Look at it. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the turn now. See the colors, a nice color that it's getting. I'm gonna add some more glaze to it. Now guys, you just continue to glaze it each time you check on it, to let that just go, just sink in, to let the thing just marinate into the skin. It's time to turn now, guys. Gonna put it back over on the face, and then we're gonna glaze the skin. There you see the colors, so lovely colors. And I put it on the side as well. Get the side grilled. Guys, you should smell this glaze. Everything infused, it just has a nice smell. Here I go coating again, guys. It's like how you jerk your chicken and you constantly, rub on. So you do the same thing for your fish. Keep it moist and keep the flavor, keep putting in that flavor. Because you want, when you're eating it, you're having the nice flavor in your mouth. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be showing you the end result. Look at it, guys. My garlic and lemon butter glazed salmon. Join me at the table, guys. Look at this delicious recipe. Look at it. Guys, tell me what you think about my presentation. Look at it. And I'm just glazing, served with some asparagus and a slice of lemon. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for other recipes.